Hey, it's SgtLocksmith here. We're going to change the battery on your remote. This here's your 5-button smart remote. This task, you're going to need a small flat tip screwdriver. So with that being said, you can leave the key attached, the key ring. Go ahead and flip your remote over. You notice you do have your little release for your emergency key. Go ahead and push that, and when you do, you'll need to try to do this so you can see it. Go ahead and pull back on your emergency release. Your key pops out. With that popping out, take your emergency key. You have an indentation right here. Put the emergency key right in there, and to rotate it, just give it a slight push, twist. It pops open. Your remote comes apart. As you see, the housing is split, and just use your fingers. Go ahead and take a flat tip screwdriver under the battery. Lift your battery out. Be careful not to move this because it does want to pop out. Take your new battery, 2032, put it in. Positive side, which is the back, and it says positive, matches up with the positive here. With that, go ahead and push your battery in towards the metal. And when you do, that's your spring that pushes it back together to lock it in place. Go ahead and put your two halves back together, and slight pressure. Start squeezing, going around. And as you notice, we didn't snap it in one go around. Go ahead and take your emergency key, put it back in, and you've just successfully completed doing your own battery. Thanks for watching again. Any comments, questions, go ahead and send us an email, like and share. Be safe out there.